Take a pot and add oil, chicken, salt, pepper powder, and sautéed chicken until outer layer crispy removes the chicken. Add ginger paste to the oil sautéed until it changes its color and add onion. Sautéed until slightly pink in color. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, salt. Add fresh cream, chili flakes, pepper powder, chicken stock and chicken cubes, half lemon juice. Cook it until chicken tenders and sauce creamy. Coriander for garnishing, serve while it's hot.